morning to you, and welcome to another edition of Clincheck Theater Thursday. I am your host, Dr. David Gallen, here with my partner, Dr. Daniski. And today we're talking about the lower right canine, tooth number 27. Here you can see tooth number 27 has a root angulation that is not ideal. And what we want to do is we want to do what we call mesial root torque on that tooth. At the same time, we are doing some crown angulation. Now, this is a very hard movement to do, but here's the point of today's Clincheck Theater Thursday. In the past, whenever we have to do a root angulation, we needed to have what we call the double spike, two attachments on opposite sides that created a force, that created a moment that made the tooth move. We'd push one way on the tooth with this, and then there would be another spike over here, and we'd push like that, creating the moment that takes the root and does that angulation, what we call root movement. In 2022, the Invisalign, because of so many errors with the double spike attachment, i.e. doctors forgetting to put one of the spikes on, one of the spikes breaking off, and the doctor is not realizing it, Invisalign has been able to move the other attachment, the other part of the double spike is now on the inside of the plastic. It's in here, meaning if you would take a microscope and look at the plastic, you would see it indented in there, creating the counterforce that helps that root movement do. So, just a quick update to let you know, if you see one spike like this, just know that the other spike is internal for Invisalign nowadays, helping to create the root control angulation. Thanks very much and have a wonderful day.